If you've been hurt at work in Massachusetts and you're worried that your workers' compensation claim might be denied, or you haven't received any communication or correspondence from your employer or their workers' compensation insurance company, the most important thing you can do right now is to be prepared. If you have to take legal action and file a claim at the Massachusetts Department of Industrial Accidents, it is going to take some time before you get a court date to argue your case before an administrative judge. In these types of cases and situations, time is of the essence, and documentation is everything. Start by reporting your work accident right away. And when I say to report your work accident, I mean to report it in writing to your employer and keep a copy of your work accident report. Also, document when, where, and how your work accident happened, what your injuries were, and make sure you make notes of who witnessed your accident. Remember, when it comes to documenting your injury, the more, the better. Next, gather your medical records. Make sure that you have your medical notes from either urgent care, or if you've seen your primary care doctor, or you went to the emergency room. Keep your hospital discharge paperwork. Get any copies of x-rays or MRIs or any other diagnostic tests that you have. This is going to be important in your case. And if your treating doctor is advising you to stay out of work because of your work accident, or he's imposed restrictions on your work capacity, make sure that you get that doctor's opinion in writing. This is called the disability note. Do not forget the disability notes. This is very important and vital to filing your claim and being successful in proving your case in court. Keep in mind, if your employer or their workers' compensation insurance carrier argues that your injuries are not work-related, or they're arguing that you're not really that hurt and they think you can return to work, your documentation is going to be your best offense and your best defense. So if you've been hurt at work and you're not receiving the disability benefits or medical care that you deserve, feel free to give me a call. I offer free case evaluations and free consultations. I'm happy to review your case, answer your questions, and explain how I can protect your rights and seek to get you the benefits that you deserve.
If you were hurt at work in Massachusetts, experienced workers' comp attorney Chuck Pappas is here to help.